About me and you. And I think to myself, what a wonderful world.
Hello everyone, welcome to another tutorial. Today I'll be doing a skull. It can be like an ornament type, or you can attach it to a project, or possibly even be the center of a granny square. It's up to you what you decide to do with the skull. So to begin, we start with a magic circle. Then we chain one, using a 3mm crochet hook in case I didn't mention it earlier, and then we place 6 single crochet in the magic circle or the ring. So once you're done with these 6 single crochets, we'll now place a slip stitch in that first single crochet here. So don't mix it up with the chain one. So you go into this V here, then we pull through. Now we're gonna be chaining 10, so this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. And into this ring here, we place a triple crochet. So you loop over, yarn over twice, and pull through 3 times here. And so we make 8 in total. So this is 1, and we make 7 more. So to do the triple crochet, it's yarn over twice, insert into the center of the ring, pull through 2, pull through another 2, finally pull through that. So we'll make 6 more, and I'll meet you there. Okay, so once you have a total of 8 triple crochets, so that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, we'll now chain 7. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Now we'll place a double crochet into the ring here. We'll chain 3, so that's 1, 2, 3, and we'll slip stitch into the 3rd chain. That's 1, 2, 3. Now we'll chain 1, and we'll do 8 single crochets along this chain here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, And now we'll do an increase along here. So we have 7 triple crochets here. We'll now make a total of 14 double crochets along here by placing 2 double crochets in the top of each triple crochet stitch. So that's 2 here, then another 2 in the next chain top, stitch top. So keep doing so, and I'll meet you at the end of the 14 double crochets. So it's actually a total of 16. I miscounted. So once we have a total of 16 double crochets here, we now place 8 single crochets along this chain here. So now we'll chain 3. So this is 1, 2, and 3. Now we'll place a double crochet here. Chain 1. Chain 1, double crochet here, double crochet here, we chain 3, so that's 1, 2, 3, then we slip stitch, chain 1, Okay, so this is the finished skull. If you wanted to extend the mouth part of the skull here, you can do another row of the double crochet. So instead of slip stitching the chain 3 here, you'd have chain 3 and went into this double crochet here and fasten off when you're done with that row. And if you wanted to make this like a keychain or something, you can go in the top here, whether in the space here or in the chain, the stitch top, and you could just make a chain however long you want it, because if you're doing an ornament or maybe for a keychain, then you would go back in that same spot here and slip stitch it. And then you cut the tail and weave it in. Make a skull with your desired adaptations. And until next time, bye.